Hola, buenas. Today we are going to learn the different meanings of tomar. So, for example, tomar means to take, no? For example, to take the bus. I take the bus. Tomo el autobús. O el bus, can you also say. Or can you take this? ¿Puedes tomar esto? ¿Puedes tomar esto? In South America, I think they use more tomar, and in this case, in Spain, we also use coger. It's a synonym. ¿Puedes coger esto? Can you take this? O por ejemplo, I want to say, take it. Tómalo. Toma, take, lo, it. Or in Spain we say, cógelo. It's the same meaning. Coge, take, lo, it. Number two, to sunbathe. We say, tomar el sol. So for example, if I say, I like to sunbathe, then I must say, me gusta tomar el sol, ¿no? Me gusta, I like, tomar el sol. Remember, in Spanish, if we have two verbs, gusta, tomar, no? Verb number 1 and verb number 2, we just need to conjugate the first verb. Or for example here, puedes, can you, tomar, take. We just need to conjugate the verb number 1. The other one is an infinitive. And you know that a verb is an infinitive because finishes with ar, or ir. Tomar, in this case, finishes with ar. Tomar also means to eat or to drink. So, a typical question when the waiter in restaurant says, what would you like to drink or to eat? ¿Qué quieres tomar? And if he says that, tomar means to drink or to eat. So you can answer, quiero, I would like, or I want. Quiero. Quiero is I want, but we also use it in restaurant to say I would like. You can also use as I would like, me gustaría. But very often we use quiero. Quiero tomar un café y una tostada. Tostada, a toast. So, as you see, quiero, I want, me gustaría, I would like. Verb number 1 is a conjugate one. And the verb number 2 is infinitivo, tomar. ¿Quieres? Verb number 1. Tomar, verb number 2. We just need to conjugate the verb number 1. And these are the meanings at the moment, the most important meanings for tomar. Und wenn Sie Fragen oder Vorschläge haben, bitte schreib mir eine E-Mail. Und ich wäre sehr, sehr dankbar, wenn Sie abonnieren können. Muchas gracias. Suscribiros, chicos. Hasta pronto.